Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making dumpling with added fiber. Now set the stove to 70 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes to help your mixture double in size. In a big bowl, you add all your dry ingredients, mix them up together.
Can I do it like this? We're making it. Daddy, we're making dumpling.
Lastly, you add your lukewarm water. You mix that up. You can use your hand. I used my wooden spoon. It does the work for me just fine because I don't like the wet dough on my fingers. Then I just put some oil on top so that it doesn't stick to the lid or to the container. Now when you are done mixing it up for like 2 minutes extra to 5 minutes, put it into the oven. Make sure your oven is not too hot, please. It doesn't burn the container. That's the temperature you want. Wait an hour, take it out of the oven. You'll see, guys. Oh, that's so good. So you want it to double in size, basically. Once it's out of the oven, mix it up again like that. And a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick once it's cooked. Remember, you can use anything that you want to cook it in. You can use a plastic, ceramic plate, whatever you want, plastic container, anything. Put it in there. Guys, I didn't use my fingers or my hands at all. At all. And you just look, you can still achieve a perfect dumpling with that method. Now you're getting ready to cook your dumpling in a pot. You see, that's medium to high heat. And I filled it up to like a liter of water, of boiling water. So the water can come to that level when you put it inside the pot. And then you just close your pot. After 30 minutes, just go and put a sharp object inside to check if it's well cooked inside. I think this was exactly about 40 minutes later. And look at that. Perfecto. And then I filled water in a bigger container with ice so that it can cool faster. Then I put it on top so that it can be in contact with the cold water. And then it was guys, oh, it was so good. Just came out so well. I mean, ooh, I was so happy. Look at that. You see? I was so happy. It was so beautiful. And that is my dumpling. Beautiful and so soft. Guys, we love this dumpling so much. We eat it the whole time we have it in the house. This is how your dumpling is going to come out. Even without the bran, it's still going to look so fabulous. This dumpling is soft, moist, and fluffy. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.